and welcome back to my channel. It's Camie here. So today I wanted to show you guys how to get hair-like strokes using soap. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and let's get started. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is first start with our Neutrogena Transparent facial bar. I got mine at Walmart for like $4. So looks like this, and you're just gonna dampen it. I already just ran it under the water real quick. You don't want it soaked, and then you're gonna use one of your spoolies. Like you can just grab a spoolie applicator, and what I do is just rub it back and forth. Oh, can y'all see that? Hold up. There we go. Just rub it back and forth, get it on the spoolie. And then what you wanna do is take your eyebrow. What you want to do is take your spoolie and just run it through your eyebrow, flicking all the hairs up. You guys see that though? Like night and day. Like what? Okay, then what I want to go ahead and do is go ahead and take my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in dark brown. I'm also going to go ahead and take my Anastasia Beverly Hills number 14 dual-sided eyebrow and spoolie brush. I'm going to take the brush angled side. I have a nice stiff brush is what I would say. And we're just going to dip it in there. I want a nice straight pointed tip. And then we just go ahead and start, and I just create a line from underneath where I want to start. I just follow my natural line, and then I kind of turn my head as I'm getting down towards the tail. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm trying to do it kind of light. And I'm gonna pick up some more product, and then we're just gonna do hair-like strokes going upward. You just wanna do that. And then also take your spoolie side, and then just kind of like rub in this line. Try and get rid of the line of demarcation here. And then you're gonna just keep going with the hair-like strokes. Oop, girl, you tripping. Hold up. Then what I like to do is just take my brush and then kind of hit right above the arch and then go downwards right in here. Just defining the brow just a little bit more, filling it in. And then we're going to hit our tail. I just wanted to add a little bit more to the bottom. Define it a little bit more. We're gonna go in and clean all this up though, so don't even trip, you know. The one thing I do, like what I really do love about these soap brows is this shit stays, okay? Like my shit was like platinum, not moving. What I wanna go ahead and do is take my BD brush number 714 BD brush, and I'm gonna take my MAC concealer. It's like a creamy concealer in a pot. I'm gonna go ahead and just line my brows with the concealer. cleaning up that area. Then I'm just gonna go right up top, just a smidge, like right up in here, just a smidge, and clean up this area. I don't want to go where we did the hair-like strokes. Girl, what is going on over here to the left? Like, this point ain't pointing. Like, I'm having a bad brow day on the left. I did my brows earlier when I had to go to work, so I was just trying to redo it real quick on this side just to show you guys. And my situation to the left is like, nah sis, it's over. Give me a second, we'll clean it up. So if you mess up or if it's too thin, you can just add a little bit more like I'm doing. And then you just play with it a little bit, just picking up a little bit of product. I'm just dipping it into my Anastasia and just doing more strokes. And then go right up in here, get rid of the lines. This is pretty much it, you guys. It's like super quick and easy. You just, you know, you just do that. So all you need is some soap, your pomade. If you want to use your pencil, use your pencil, some concealer, brush, clean it up, voila, all done. Perfect brows. Okay, love, so this is the finished look using soap to get hair-like strokes. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. Until next time, bye.